Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Today we're making a super simple snack or an appetizer. We're actually going to be turning them into hors d'oeuvres, which are going to be really cute, but it's pretty simple. This is all you need. It's a corn and edamame sesame salad. It's going to be delicious. I can't wait. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is toast our sesame seeds. So we're going to throw these in the pan, and we're going to move them around until they get nice and golden brown. You do not have to use the white and the black. I just have a mixture because I like the look and I ran out of white. Okay, the white seeds are starting to get a nice golden brown color, so we're going to take these off. Now that our seeds are toasted, we're going to toast our sesame oil. Alright, we're just going to cook this until the color starts to change a bit. It is smoking. I feel like it has gotten a bit darker, so I think we're probably good. Now the next step of this super simple salad, we're going to boil our edamame beans as well as our corn. So grab your pot, stick it on high. While we're waiting for that to come to a boil, let's go ahead and mix our ingredients for our dressing. In a medium bowl, we're going to whisk our toasted sesame oil along with rice vinegar and soy sauce. Let's throw in our 2 cups of frozen edamame. Now we want to boil this for 3 minutes and then we're going to stick in our corn. Now you can either add fresh corn or partially thawed corn. I opted for the partially thawed because it's a little bit easier. And we're just going to boil this for another 2 minutes. Fun fact! Edamame beans are just young soybeans that are harvested before they ripen, and they're one of the healthiest foods you can eat. Edamame is not only a great source of complete protein due to its having all 9 essential amino acids, but it's also got plenty of iron and calcium. And it might even help with depression, menopause, diabetes, fertility, inflammation, and more. Our 2 minutes is up, so we're just gonna drain this and rinse it under cold water until it gets cool enough to touch. All right, we're gonna add this to our dressing. Toss it around. And then we're going to add our sesame seeds. And give that a good toss. Then we're just going to cover it and chill it for 15 minutes. Alright, now you know how we said we were going to make some really fun hors d'oeuvres out of these. So we have one more thing to do, and that is get a head of radicchio lettuce. I don't care if that's not how you say it, it's the most fun way to say it. Get that, chop off the bottom, then we're going to use the leaves as cups. It's going to be super cute. And we want to carefully take these off so they're little cups like this. How adorable is that? All right, we are out of the fridge and ready to serve. Smells really good. Let's try it. I'm a fan of edamame. Mix it up with some soy sauce and some oil. Can't go wrong. I think this is a super cute way to display it. Plus, you know, you can eat your bowl. One thing I forgot to do, just remembered, is add a little bit of salt. You're supposed to put a nice big pinch of salt. That probably would take this over the edge, but it doesn't really need it, but I'm going to. Alright y'all, this was super easy to make. Nice and healthy. Got your nice edamame beans in there. You can leave out the salt. You can cut back on oil if you want. It seems like slightly too much oil. Other than that, these are really delicious. They're really cool, easy to make. I think anybody would love it if you made it for them, especially at a dinner party. This would be cute to bring out. So anyway, I hope you liked what you saw today. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. Make sure to share and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. Then we're going to throw everything in there. Not together though. Let's redo everything. Really?